To replace the water pad on an Aprilaire 700 whole house humidifier, turn off the power to the furnace. Depending on your model, you may have to unplug the unit. To remove the cover, pull the latch on the bottom of the unit down and pull forward. Lift up and remove the cover. Pull out the frame that holds the water pad. The top of the frame is held in place with clips on the side. Push out the sides to remove the top. Pull out the old pad and check that the drain hole on the bottom isn't clogged. Rinse off or shake out any loose debris from the bottom and top of the frame. Aprilaire says you can leave the mineral deposits that don't shake off. It will help with water flow. I'm using a Depleto replacement pad. One side of the pad will be marked on some pads. If it's marked, that side is the top. Slide the new pad into the frame. Snap the top of the frame in place. There's a notch on top. This side goes in first and gives room for the water tube. Line up the short tube on the bottom with the drain opening and push in the top. Line up the two clips on the top of the cover, then pull down on the latch on the bottom to push the cover in place. Plug in the unit if you unplugged it, set the humidifier control, and turn on the furnace.